Okay, ito sakyan namin. May picture pa ata eh. May picture pa.
32นะเดี๋ยวขอ
Yung.
ครับด้านหลังของกล้องครับผมได้เลยครับไปทางไหนนะครับ
Oh yan, nandito na si Gabriel sa loob. Gabriel, how you hold that? What's that hippo? May engine brake pa
Let's
na.
swim again.
You cannot swim there. May
The
monorail.
hippo can swim. That is hippo. The hippo is not scared.
Gabriel, not scared. You can remove your mask na. What's that? You want me to go there inside?
Let's go.
African. Let's go to.
African animal?
You can
Yes,
go
I
there.
do.
Yes, I do that.
Let's go to African animal.
Yan ba yung may ano? No entry po.
Stop team only. No entry. Let's go. Let's just watch outside.
See, it's open now. It's closed.
It's
They
closed
close
there.
now.
Oh, see.
That's a hippopotamus.
Oh.
Hello. The hippo is eating grass. You cannot go. I'm not sick. We're going
There, in the, some animals. Some animals.
Chiang Mai Zoo.
Oh, some dito pa ng food center.
And that's it, Africa.
Yan, we can go there. Oh.
Oh, you want to see?
Oryx. Mommy, that
Tumutunog
is
din sila.
oryx.
Asan yung oryx sabi niya?
Ha? Yan.
Ano sinasabi niya? That is oryx na?
Eh, malapit ko din sa pagbalik.
Alam niya yung mga pangalan.
Pwede ko lang animal walk. We can go there. We can go there.
Pangalan ko?
Ayun, ang oras oh. Ayun oh.
That's
Ay, yung may sungay na matawag yan. Yung sungay na matulis.
zebra.
Oh, may zebra. Oh, si Gabriel. Si Gabriel. Oh, let's see what's there. Come on. Park muna tayo dito. Ano ito? Patayin na.
I want to see the giraffe again.
Okay na, come on. Oh, come on. You go there. Are you waiting? Okay, dito tayo sa ano to? Sa African animals. Dito tayo sa zebra. Ayun na, may zebra doon. May giraffe at saka zebra eh. Slowly na, slowly. Later, later. Yes, ring mo. Oh, yan, yan.
Not biting. Wow. Good job. There's a zebra. Only big parrot. I'm Gabriel is Bye-bye, giraffe.
What's this?
Bye-bye, giraffe. Zebra.
How to cool the zebra now? How to cool the zebra? No more? Oh, come on, let's go.
And then go to zebra.
Barely wait. Go. Oh, let's go there ka pa. Wala na, late na tayo sa show na. Lugi na tayo papunta tayo.
Let's go and ride in the boat.
Ha? Ay, ikot tayo doon. Lama, malaki to eh.
Nandun tayo dati eh.
Sa aquarium. Akyat. Jabo, my blue.
Ay, may swimming pool dito, naalala ko.
Mommy, that is dinosaurs. Right through.
May mga welcome to Kids Water Park pala.
Ito yung pinuntahan natin. Nagpunta tayo dyan dati.
Ah,
Nag-park tayo dyan dati.
Orange,
Natandaan ko.
oh,
Yes. Dati pwede sumang.
Tyrannosaurus.
masok.
Oo, yung sasakyan nagpark tayo dyan dati. Tanda ko na. Pero hindi tayo umakyat dyan.
Oh, punta muna tayo sa mga
Ay,
Kuala, eh,
Kuala. You wanna see Kuala?
Yes, I do.
Oh, you wear your mask. Oh, Kuala. Ang ganda ng view.
Medyo.
Now,
Kuala, very nice.
Kuala. Kuala ni Gabriel. Gabriel, what's your koala?
I have koala.
Oh, yan yun.
Yes,
Tulog.
He is sleeping.
Koala, good morning.
You can remove na.
Good afternoon. Ano, good afternoon na ngayon, Gab? Good morning. Koala pala to.
Si Kuala eh. Ay, takre ata yan eh.
Hindi.
koala natutulog.
Kuala.
Nagising.
Ay, yes. Oo, okay.
Ano, bawal knock ko. Don't knock po, don't knock please.
I don't...
Daming puntahan pa natin. May pupuntahan pa tayo dito. Oh. Mga animals pa. Oh,
Koala is sleeping. Where's little koala? Can you see the koala?
the little koala is very talkative. Oh, come on, go. Go up there. Here you are. Konti lang na masyal ngayon. Konti lang na masyal. Sa ibang lugar. Dito ba nakakamping si koala ka po? There? Dito. Dito. Dito ni koala oh. So, ikot tayo ng ganito. Go down there. See that? What's inside? Yeah? What's the koala? Here, oh, my birds. Look at the birds. What's inside?
In the tent? Open now.
I wanna get bird now. Ah, someone is sleeping there. What's this, Gabo? Anong animals no, Gab?
That is the bird. That is no birds. Gabriel is eating. The bird is eating Gabriel's finger. Wow, thanks. Thank you. You're welcome.
Tribe para to, Gabo. Ito na yung mga anting-anting na tribo.
Mommy, I wanna go to the pool.
And there's no one else. There's dirty, oh. See? No one is...
Tomorrow open. That is the duck.
Gabo, look.
What happened to his hand?
Well. Wait. What's this, Gabo? Want to go inside? Sige.
Where's little koala? You ask them. They get little koala.
Tribo na. Deer to? godan eh. Hindi yan kalabaw.
Ay, hindi.
Ano kayo? May pangalan tiyo dapat eh. Tingnan mo kung sasagot ba. Mo. Mo. Oh, hindi sumasagot.
Buffalo.
Buwalo na. Hindi na buwalo ata kasi eh. Hindi na sumasagot eh. Dapat sumasagot yan eh. Hindi yan buwalo. Stonehenge to Kap? Hindi. Doon sa baba tayo sa baba. Doon oh. Gapa sa ito? Crocodile. Let's go to Red Panda. Red Panda nak. Let's go inside. May manok ihas diri de. Open 8 AM. Push, pwede nga pasok na manok ihas dire. Oh, pwede po lang pumasok na rin ito. Oh, pwede nga. Wala. Mga ito rin oh.
Wow, maganda kasi pwede.
Ito mga nahuli ko dati oh. Manok ihas.
Masarap pinulain. Kahit lati ko.
Grabe manok ihas oh.
You want that?
Jungle. Yung manok ihas sila dito. Gab, you want to eat? Let's bring some chicken na. Ito yung mga nahuli ko sa mga binibin. Mga ano ko. Dami mga yan pa, mga manakihas gab oh. Oh, so daming manok na oh. Go. Ano kayo tawag pangalan nito? Gabriel, what's the name of this one? Gab, let's go inside. Ha? Balik lang ito.
Ipong ataw na eh.
Naghalo itong manok na saka itong isang klaseng manok. Tara. Ay, dito tayo sa Red Panda nak. Ayun, nandito nga sa kabila. Kinulong dito. Ayun oh. Tulog. mo. Ito. Ang tawag naman ito, kalaw eh. Cornbill na pa eh. Wow! Ayun pala, ang dami. Ano na ba? Red shank. Hindi mo klaro na sa taas. Ayan si Red shank. Okay mo na? Let's go to other places na. Ayun oh. Kamot-kamot sila. Ang dami na klase unggoy. Lakad sila na. Saan ang pintura? Saan ang
Asian elephant.
saan ang pito nito gap? Ay, laking elephant na. Diba tatwa na? Malaking elephant na.
What's that, African or Asian?
Asian.
Oh, you said Asian. Why? That is Asian also?
Asian elephant.
That's African? Huh?
Di na tayo, ano?
Dolphin.
You want to go to...
Elephant.
Yeah, you want to go there? No.
The giraffe.
Ayun, saan naman?